on your chin. Yo, that's how this begins. Greg Grunge in the grave. Yo, that's how this shit ends. Cause your history, your rhymes ain't shit to me. You're kinda whack like Sarah Max, so go build me a mystery. You think you're hard, but you're soft like a pillow. Think you're large, but you're motherfucking willow. You need skills, and I'm teaching the class. They'll need the jaws of life to get my foot out your ass.
How can you just leave us standing alone when the beats are so dope? Maybe the hoop's too demanding. Maybe you realize your skills just got old. Bitch, you ain't soft like your mother. Now it's time to be terrified.
Time to be terrified.
420 straight going solo. This is what it sounds like when grunge dies.
Cause bitch you getting whack, always talking that smack and smoking crack while you slack on your rhymes and your crew. So bitch, what you gonna do? Are you stepping to me because I'm stepping to you?
How can you just leave us standing alone when the beats are so dope? Maybe the hoop's too demanding. Maybe you realize your skills just got old. Bitch, you ain't soft like your mother. Now it's time to be terrified. 420 straight going solo. This is what it sounds like when grunge dies.
A steed, I feed the need with 420, rockin' half speed. The rhymes I write bound to excite, excel, rock well since grunge to hell and back. Attack a 10. The rhymes we bend into a mold that keeps us paid. 420 in circle K. Suspect that grunge is gay. Tell the fuck off. Bitch, you need to write a rhyme at the drop of a dime. I get mines, get mines.
How can you just leave us standing alone when the beats are so dope? Maybe the hoop's too demanding. Maybe you realize your skills just got old. Bitch, you ain't soft like your mother. Now it's time to be terrified. 420 straight going solo. This is what it sounds like when grunge dies.
Just leave us standing.